It's got a full separate kitchen, but we're on the 5th floor with no elevator. It's got a great living room, but you need to walk through it to get to the bedroom. It's got a large bedroom, but it's missing a molding over there. Then again, it's facing the front. It's got great sunlight. One closet right here. It's got a really bright bathroom. There's the entrance, and it's got one more closet over here. Kitchen's got all this space, but I'm not sure what you can use it for because your entrance is right there. These two can't open up at the same time, which leads me to believe that that plug is supposed to go into that outlet right there, which would open up that space. I guess you're putting a garbage can over there. You have two cute sconces on the wall in the living room. Hardwood floors throughout, aside for the kitchen, sticky tiles. And the price is great. It's under $2,000 a month. Then again, as I mentioned in the beginning,